Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed with your finances? Are you tired of feeling like you can't get ahead? SBI has a solution for you. SBI, or State Bank of India, is one of the largest banks in the country, with over 24,000 branches and over 500 million customers. And now, we're here to help you too. With our mobile banking app, you can access your accounts from anywhere, at any time. You can transfer funds, pay bills, and even invest in mutual funds, all from the comfort of your own home. Our ATMs are also available 24/7, and offer a range of services, from cash withdrawals to account balance inquiries. And if you need personalized assistance, our friendly and knowledgeable staff are always here to hail. We offer a range of banking services, from savings accounts to home loans, all designed to help you achieve your financial goals. But that's not all. SBI also offers a range of benefits and rewards for our customers. With our SBI Rewardz program, you can earn points for your transactions and redeem them for exciting rewards and discounts on your favorite brands. And that's not all. With SBI Simply Save credit card, you can earn cashback and rewards points on your everyday spends like groceries, dining, and fuel. At SBI, we believe in providing banking services that are accessible to everyone. That's why we have introduced the YONO, You Only Need One app. YONO is an all-in-one digital banking platform that allows you to access all your banking needs, from account opening to investments, all in one place. And that's not all. With YONO SBI, you can also avail of exclusive offers and discounts on lifestyle products, travel, and entertainment. At SBI, we are committed to making banking accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities. We have introduced a range of accessibility features, such as braille signage, wheelchair ramps, and talking ATMs, to ensure that everyone can access our banking services with ease. We also offer financial literacy programs and workshops to help educate our customers on financial planning, budgeting, and investment strategies, so that they can make informed decisions about their money. And as a socially responsible bank, we are committed to giving back to our communities through a range of initiatives, including education, healthcare, and environmental sustainability. And don't just take our word for it. Our customers are our biggest advocates, and they have shared their positive experiences with SBI. Testimonials from satisfied SBI customers. Customer 1. I have been an SBI customer for over a decade now, and I can't imagine banking with anyone else. Their customer service is top-notch, and I always feel valued and respected. Customer 2. I recently availed of an SBI home loan, and the process was so smooth and hassle-free. The staff were knowledgeable and helpful every step of the way. Customer 3. I love using the SBI Rewardz program. It's so easy to earn points and redeem them for exciting rewards and discounts. So what are you waiting for? Join the millions of satisfied customers who trust SBI with their finances. Visit your nearest branch, download our mobile banking app, or get started with YONO SBI today. SBI, banking for everyone.